everyone. Welcome back to Lessons with Liz. It's so good to see you as always. Today we're going to do another lesson in our alphabet series. This is about the letter X. All right, let's go. Everyone say capital X. Good. Lowercase x. Good. X says X. Yeah, that's kind of a hard sound, isn't it? It's almost like a K, K and an S, S put together. X, X. All right? Try that with me. X, X. You start out with the K sound and then move to the S sound. X, X. And you say it together. All right? X says X. Very good. All right? Now, X is one of those tricky letters. There's not very many things that start with the letter X. There's more items that end with the letter X. But let's see what we have, okay? I have a picture of, let's say, I bet you can guess, if you take a picture of the inside of your hand, okay, or your body, that is a special kind of picture called an, yes, X-ray. Say X, X, X-ray. Good. All right. Now, the other thing I have, when you spell it, it does begin with X, but when you say it, it makes the Z sound, Z. It's kind of confusing, but I'm going to show it to you anyway. Say Z, Z, xylophone. And yes, I know it says the Z sound, but when you spell it, when you write it out, it actually does begin with an X. So I wanted to show it to you, okay? All right. Now, let's go ahead and look at our trusty alligator, all right? On the head, of course, we have the capital X. On the tail, we have the lowercase x. And you put them together and you have a whole alligator, all right? Good. And let's see what they decided to put inside the acorn. I honestly don't know. I didn't look. Okay, so before we started, say capital X. And on the inside, you know we have the lowercase x. Good. Oh, it's another one of those things that you spell with an X, but it sounds like Z. Okay, say xylophone. Good. Some of you may have a xylophone at your house to play with. They're a lot of fun. I know my boys had one when they were little. So xylophone. All right. Now, like I said, you will hear the X sound more at the end of words than at the beginning of words. For example, this is a, okay, what is this? Yeah, it's a box. Say box. Yes, and you hear that X sound at the end of box. Okay, all right. Another one, it's a type of animal, and I don't have one to show you, but it's a type of animal that lives out in the woods. It's really pretty. It almost looks like a small dog, okay? It's called a fox, and it has a X sound at the end. It's spelled F-O-X, just like box is spelled B-O-X, okay? Has that X sound at the end. All right, so short video today because it's hard to find things that begin with the letter X, but I challenge you to try to find some things that either begin with X or most likely end with X around your house or outside. Look for the letter X as you read stories and on signs as you're driving down the highway, okay? So have fun with it and just remember, say capital X. Good. Lowercase x. Good. They're made the same way, just one's bigger, okay? X says X. Good. X, X, X. Yes, excellent. Because that's a tricky sound, okay? So that's one of those that you have to practice a little bit more often to get used to it, okay? But you're doing great. I'm proud of you. And be on the lookout for the X story coming soon. Bye.